So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul video. Like this time Nykaa had some amazing deals but I would say कि इससे ज़्यादा offers कुछ brands पे individually आ जाता है जब sale नहीं भी होती है then too. So majorly I would say कि luxury brands पे ज़्यादा off था in comparison to other brands, but there were also certain drugstore brands like Lakme, Maybelline, Colaba that literally had amazing deals. So yes, मैंने ज़्यादा splurge out नहीं किया. I only got some essentials for winters and also some of the products that almost remained out of stock. Like जब भी मैं check करती थी, so they were out of stock. So yes, I luckily found them. So perks for being a privy member is that you get access to the sale one day prior. So I placed my order on 23rd and yes, I got it delivered within 2 to 3 days. But yes, this video I suppose would go live on Sunday, that is the last day for the sale, because the sale was from 24th to 28th of November. So yes, hope you guys would find some amazing deals and would like this video. So before beginning with this video, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So yes, without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. So the first product that I got from the sale is this Rice Water Bright Foaming Face Wash, which is from the Face Shop. So this particular face wash I wanted to try since long, and yeah, I suppose retails for like 650 something and I got it for 500. So yes, it was absolutely a really good deal. So this is basically a cream based cleanser, and for winters like I switch my face washes from gel based to cream based क्योंकि gel based all the more dry कर देता है आपकी skin को. So yes, I wanted to try this, and what best could be like trying this in winter and getting this on such an amazing deal. So the next product is a really affordable beauty blender, and yes, it's from Colorbar and it's in the shade black. Like I always wanted to try this, but for some reason black wala iska out of stock rehta tha and pink wala was always available. It retails for around 200 and I got this for like 35 or 30% off. So बहुत ज़्यादा affordable deal थी, and black sponge I literally wanted. So yes, let me just open it and show it to you. And मैंने इसके काफ़ी amazing reviews सुने हैं कि it's like very good and performs very well. So oopsie. So this is how the sponge looks like. It's like very soft, अभी wet भी नहीं है, normal है, but still it feels really soft and I am very excited to try this product in particular. So the next two products are from the brand Elf and they had a really amazing deal. That was buy one get one. So I was really intrigued to try like some of the Elf product like जब वो launch हुए थे, but उनका जो gloss था like the clear gloss and like almost सारे gloss उनके out of stock रहते हैं, like you can even see now. Like I was also fortunate enough कि pre-access sale में मुझे ये मिल गया, and you guys could also check if it's available or not. So these are the two products that I got from Elf. It was on buy one get one. So both of these retails for around 330 or 320. So I got both of these for like 150 each. So this one in particular is the gloss that's like very hype, and now that winters are approaching, so yes, it was really appropriate for that. And I'll see like how it performs. So it's like, oh, it has like a really flat like doe foot sort of an applicator that normal lipsticks have, and it has a very mild vanilla fragrance to it. So it's like really lightweight and it's a clear gloss. And the next I got the Elf's pen liner. So as a beginner or now also I feel that these liners are very easy to use. Like using these pen liners you can easily control your hands, and if it has a precise tip it would be really nice. Like let me show you कैसा है ये. I should have sat with the scissors, but yeah. Finally, I got through it. So yes, it has a really nice and sleek body, as you can see, and the branding is there and eyeliner pen is written. I really like the white packaging. It looks so good. So here it's written the black shade, and yeah, let me just see. Oh, it has a really nice and precise tip to say. So let me just swatch it. So this is how the liner looks like. It's jet black and it turns matte after drying. So yeah, it's not smudging whatsoever after drying. So yes, it's like really nice. I quite like this liner, and the waterproof aspect of it I'll be checking later. So for now it's a really nice liner क्योंकि काफी अच्छे price point पे मिल गया. So the next item is a repurchase of mine, and it's from the brand Biotique. It's their Bio Morning Nectar. It's a moisturizer basically. So this one in particular I showed like in my empties video, and then also I said that it's a really nice moisturizer for winters because I in particular have a combination to oily skin. So this one in summers feels a bit oily, bit heavy, but in winters this moisturizer is amazing. Like it performs wonders on my skin. It provides apt nourishment and my skin does not feels dry, like जो winters में थोड़ी बहुत dry and flaky skin हो जाती है. So this is like very good. It claims that it's for all skin types, but as per me, like in summers this does not perform that well. But yeah, winters के लिए this is like a really good moisturizer. So this is like the smaller variant, like 120 ml. It has two variants in it. ये छोटा वाला था. So yes, this I got for around 35% off something. So yes, Biotique products were also on a really great deal. So the next item is a really hyped serum, I would say. And when I say hyped and serum, the one name that would come to your mind is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. So this is how it looks like, and this जब ये launch हुआ था in particular, I like wanted to buy this, but for some reason I never bought this. Like maybe the price point like 500 for a serum, so I never got this. But since then I have been listening very great reviews for this product in particular, and I'll surely try and let you know what's the rave all about. But as I got this, like I was like literally in awe of the beauty, like how it looks. So this is how the bottle looks like it looks so amazing and so freaking beautiful. Like if it'll rest on the vanity or wherever you keep your stuff, like if I keep it here, like see how it looks. Like it is giving such a luxurious feel, and it's literally a glass bottle, so it's heavy and it's not travel friendly, but for traveling purposes you could get its smaller variant. It has two variants. So this is the largest one. It is 100 ml of the product. So yes, this retails for about 500, and guess what, I like literally जैसे ही मैंने ये देखा, the offer that it had, it attracted me so well. Like I was like यार ये तो लेना ही है. So yeah, it was like for around 50 or 45% off, and I got this for just rupees 300. Like in 300 normal serums are also there, but this one is the OG serum. Like all of the beauty bloggers and the influencers talk really great things about this product, so I would literally love trying this and let you know. And this product in particular could be used in 5 different ways. Like first is before shampoo you could use, before drying you could use, before styling. Like you could also use it as a finishing touch, like if there are flyaways or something of that sort. And the last is like an overnight treatment. You could use this product, so you could leave it, like apply it, leave it, and the next day you rinse it off. And I literally like how it's looking right now in the frame. So yes, I'm very excited to try this product. So the next category of product is a product that I definitely buy from like sales, be it Amazon, Nykaa. I definitely purchase one. And yes, if you see my videos, you must have guessed it right. It's a lip color, and it's from Maybelline, from their Color Sensational Liquid Matte Lipsticks, and it's in the shade 06 Best Babe. So yes, in the site it was given that it's like a nude pinkish brownish sort of a color, and that's what it is like in the bottle, if you can see. So it like the expiry date and everything is mentioned on the label, but once you tear it, it's gone. So yes, that's a thing about this. So the shade name and number is written on the lower part of the tube, which is like in a very small font. So yes, this is how the tube looks from outside. And yeah, let me just swatch this for you guys. Okay, it has like a pointed doe foot applicator, and it smells like typical vanilla fragrance of the Maybelline that it has. So let's just swatch it. Okay, so this one is a really pretty pink lipstick, and it would look really good in winters, but it is purely pink. I don't think it has any brown tones or hints to it. So that's it. Like it'll look really good. Like if I put it close to my mouth, you can see like it would look really good in winters. So Maybelline के products were about like up to 50% off, and that's what Maybelline के products are, because like in every sale you'll find like up to 50% off. Because last time also I got like the Age Rewind concealer on flat 50% off. So Maybelline does has some amazing deals, and you guys can check it out. So the second last purchase is a very random buy, because I was like looking for liners. So I got this like eyeliner which is in the shade green, which is from Blue Heaven. Like I personally have used Lakme's वो Insta liner नहीं आते, like the black and blue both I had used, and for green I thought let's just try, because I like have heard कि they perform equally well, but those are over $100 and this is like for just 55, and I got this on offer, so you guys can guess कि ये कितना cheap है. And if they perform equally well, so why like spend 50 more on a product like that? So this is how the product looks from inside. It's a pretty green sort of a color, and it has like manufacturer and everything on the bottom, like it has a slip. So this liner claims it's waterproof. As you can see, it's written like waterproof, and यही same चीज Lakme Insta liner भी claim करता है, but that is not at all waterproof liner. And I don't expect कि ये भी waterproof होगा. So I've literally got this to see how it will work. And yes, colored liners आपके पास होने ही चाहिए, क्योंकि like as per me, अगर आपने एक normal colored liner लगा लिया, it will look really good. I have personally tried, and since then like I have been buying colored liners for myself. So this is how it looks. It's a really pretty green shade, as you can see, and I don't think कि this would be waterproof in any sorts, but like smudge proof तो है, because you can see इतना ज़्यादा नहीं, but yes, smudge proof it is, but waterproof I have serious doubts, क्योंकि Insta liner भी नहीं है. So yes, if you want to try some affordable good liners, you can go for Blue Heaven, or for that matter you can also try Lakme's Insta liners. Like those also have 4 variants, like blue, black, green, and there is like golden, I suppose. Yes, it has golden. So इस वाले में भी there are 3 to 4 variants. You can easily check this out. So the last product I got is a lip balm. Like winters without lip balm is a no-no. So yes, the next is a lip balm which is from Lakme. It's their Lip Love lip balm, and it claims like 22 hours moisturization, which I highly doubt. But yes, it also do have like SPF 15, and it's in the shade like caramel. So this retails like, as you can see, this retails for like 150, and I got this because Lakme had really amazing deals. So I got this like under $100. So that was really great, and it is like a tinted sort of a lip balm. I'll show you how it is. So this is how the product looks from inside. As its name suggests, it's a caramel brown sort of a lip balm, and like मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा strawberry, cherry and वो सब colors हो गए थे, so I thought why not go for this. So I'll just swatch it. Okay, it has a very mild coffee sort of a fragrance to it, like caramel as the name suggests. So this is how the shade looks. It's a pretty brown caramel sort of a shade that would give you a slightest amount of color to the lips, and I think this would moisturize really well for this winter. So that is it for this Nykaa haul video, and if you guys found some recommendations helpful, so don't forget to share it in the comment box below, and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family so that it boosts up my channel. So until then, take care, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye.